Hello. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome search engine keeps changing to Yahoo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Method 1. Remove Yahoo from Chrome settings. To permanently resolve this, we first need to remove Yahoo's permission from your browser. Open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the upper right corner. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar menu, click Search Engine. Under Default Search Engine, click Change. If Yahoo is set as default, change it to Google or any other desired search engine. Method 2. Disable and remove hijacker extensions. Most of the time, the culprit for this problem is a malicious extension that you installed unintentionally. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome again. Go to Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Carefully review each extension on this page. If you find one that you don't recognize or that seems suspicious, click Remove. When removing, if a dialog box opens, check the Report Abuse option to help Google ban this extension. Method 3. Complete Chrome Reset. If the problem persists, there may be a hidden script running in the browser. Resetting it solves this instantly. And don't worry, this won't delete your saved passwords or bookmarks. In Chrome Settings, scroll to the bottom of the left menu and click Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking the blue Reset Settings button. This will disable all extensions and clear any corrupted temporary browser files. Method 4. Uninstall recent Windows apps. If Yahoo keeps coming back after restarting your PC, the virus is installed directly on your Windows. Let's remove it. Click the Windows Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps and then Installed Apps. In the Sort By field, change it to Installation Date. See which programs were last installed on your computer. If you notice any strange applications installed around the same time the Yahoo error started, click the three dots next to them and select Uninstall. Method 5. Deep Cleaning of Temporary Files. Many adware programs leave hidden traces in the system's temporary folders. Let's do a quick cleanup. On your keyboard, press the Windows plus R keys together to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp and click OK. A folder full of hidden files will open. Press Ctrl-A to select all and then Shift-Delete to permanently delete them all. If Windows says some files are in use, just click Ignore. Finally, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a quick scan to ensure your PC is 100% clean. Done! By following these sequential steps, Yahoo will no longer hijack your browser. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, please leave a like and comment below which method worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.